Welcome to today's adventure, and we're continuing of Snoring, and we stopped at 11, so we're coming to 12, and 12 is too easy. Bonk. See, too early. See, you need to turn the cow round before you hit the owl. This does drive you crazy, right? This is like now there's a cloud that'll make you crazy. On these two levels, there's clouds. Do you remember? Too early. Too late. To fail. About now. Think crazy. I was thinking crazy, right, Dad? Mm-hmm. I'm saying it now because sometimes the cloud goes a little bit faster, right, Dad? Mm-hmm. Did the cloud got faster with the elephant? Yeah. So I need to do while it's going up, not down. See, you need to bounce him on the top, you say. Boink. Ah! There's sometimes a catapult. This is an animal crazy catapult. Okay, I said animal crazy catapult because this is made for animals. Is that hilarious? This one I have too much trouble. About now. Yes! Second try one! This is the most craziest you say. Great. Why keep on stopping?
Because you didn't open it up quick enough. Now, see, now you got it.
Poink! Elephant woke up. Crazy Daisy. Too early, you say? These are moving crazy clouds, right, Dad? Mm-hmm. Is this moving crazy clouds? Time to move. Wake up, elephant. Is that hilarious what I said, Dad?
Yeah. Very hilarious.
This is like impossible, right, Dad? Mm-hmm. This is like think craziness. Now these are crazy cloud time. The only way to get through these clouds is aiming at the middle. So close. What's going on?
Doing too late. Now I got it.
That was crazy, right, guys? This is more crazier than I thought. Dang jupes.
Nope.
What's going on?
You're doing too early.
What? What's going on?
You need a spin and you need it to...
I don't know what's going on, Dad.
You need to be on the thing and then the horse will hit it.
Okay, they play.
Nice spin. No, see? You have to get higher. Now, click the horse. Oh, you just missed.
I thought the horse would jump onto the cloud.
No.
Okay.
No. Too early. You need not yet. Go now. Hit the horse. Yes. Oh, see, you're just a little late.
I think I need to go up, all the way up.
Okay, now kill the horse. Okay.
Great. I'm making. Why can't I jump the horse anymore?
You're jumping it too late. Now.
Why can't I jump anymore?
You need to go up. Let the no too early. Okay, now. No. No.
What's crazy competition?
The last one.
This is gonna be the last one.
For this adventure.
Why, Dad?
It's getting over. It's 6 minutes now.
Why can't I jump anymore? This is so weird, right, Dad? This is like impossible, right, Dad?
You try. You're trying. Spin. No. You got it. Okay. So could you can click on the
What?
Okay. No. So why do you click on the?
Steven.
Oh, almost.
Why can't jump after I jumped it? This is just too puzzling. This is like impossible, Dad.
Okay. Couple more minutes, we want to stop until soon.
I think we need to make it have a jump. But how? This is like impossible. Can you try this?
Then sign off. Okay, so we'll come back. So
We'll come back to this one. This is like impossible.
Okay, so goodbye.
Goodbye.